What's up, everybody? It's Moan Media. Checked the mail, and I had it was a big box, and I opened it up, and it was this great book. The Funk Queen herself, Dawn Silva, from Parliament. I can't wait to read it. I looked in the book, and there's some great pictures in it. It's her autobiography, so she tells how she got to Parliament, and wow, it's like a history lesson. I can't wait to finish reading it. Thank you, Egroove. Egroove is a DJ based off in California. Check out her playlist and her mixes on Mixcloud. Egroove. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to her on Mixcloud. Only take about 5 seconds. But she made great mixes, funk, ballads, whatever you want to listen to. There's still some good music out there. And E-Grooves find it for you. You know. Yeah, it's gonna be a great read. Once again, thank you, E-Groove. The Funk Queen, Dawn Silva.